In this project, we want to show you how to make large-scale customized signs. Because of its geometry, it prints really well. You just put it flat on the print bed and it builds up volume upwards. It doesn't need any support, it doesn't use a lot of material, which makes it a fast print and a very inexpensive one. With 3D printing, you can print every sign differently. You can print it in a different size, different font, different color, and there is no extra costs. Combining dual extrusion and two different filaments, in this case a dark filament and a transparent filament, we can diffuse the light in a really beautiful way, which you can only make in 3D printing.